Yo, what's good guys, Razor Affiliate here and welcome to a new video on my channel. Today guys, we are back on Keydrop with $940 on the balance. If you are looking for the absolutely best promo code on Keydrop, if you are looking for 10% deposit bonus and 50 cents for newcomers, let's join under promo code Razor Affiliate. How to join? First things first, you need to create an account on Keydrop. For example, you can connect your Steam account. When did you create an account, you need to press on deposit at top right corner and enter promo code Razor Affiliate in a promo code box, and after that click on apply. On left hand side you can find all of these deposit methods guys. You can pay by skins, Skrill, Visa card, Mastercard, crypto, gift cards and more. With this promo code you can claim some free golds guys. As you can see, if I press on get free and if I scroll down, I can find some requirements how to claim free gold. For example, if I join on Keydrop Discord server, I can claim 41 golds. If I follow Keydrop on TikTok, I can claim 18. You can scroll down and you can find all of these requirements. With these golds you can do case opening. You just need to press on your gold balance and you can find all of these cases that you can buy for these golds. I have 25k on my balance, so I will open this one. Emerald cut, I think it's the best one, and let's see, $13 Neon Noir guys for free, which is really cool, so check it out. Also you can press on daily case guys and you can open free daily cases. You just need to level up your account. How to level up your account? You can scroll down and you can find the requirements how to unlock some levels. For example, if you want to unlock level 6, you need to use upgrade for a minimum value of $80. You need to create a battle for a minimum value of $60 and you need to deposit $40 and you can unlock level 6. Better level, you can open better cases, so I'll open my level 1 case right now and I got 75 golds, which is really cool. Also you can press on use code at the top bar and you can type in Razor Affiliate in a promo code box and press on apply. If you deposit $100 you'll get 110, which is really cool guys. And also on Keydrop you can check new event every month guys. You can check new event Arcade Madness guys, 11 days and 15 hours left. You can press on start and as you can see you can press how to get EP, how to get event points, open event cases and you can claim it and you can deposit and you can get these coins. For $5 you will get 100 gold coins and you will get 600 EP, which is really cool. If you scroll down you can claim some free stuff guys with this event pass. This one is free. You can buy premium one for $5. Also you can check all of these stuffs guys from the event. If I press on arcade cards, click one card to get access to next level, which is really cool. You need some points to unlock these cards. If I press on pair to pair, I need to find two identical cards to claim a skin, which is really cool guys. You need to press on these cards and if you find two same cards you will claim skin. Also you can press on changer and you can exchange your event points for some skins guys. More points, better skins you get, and you can find event leaderboard. Okay, now I will create one case battle guys. We'll start it with event cases. We'll start with this ninja case, one Havana case and two skin runner cases. $285 cost this case battle. So let's create PvP and let's start it with the bot. Okay, hoping for this butterfly emerald at start bro. Gamma Doppler, can we hit that shit? No way. Fuck bro, that's unlucky start, really unlucky, but let's see second case. Prince Dream USP, really bad bro, really bad. Third one, skin runners, two more cases. Okay, bot is in the lead. First one is unlucky. Unlucky first one, we took L, so let's create another one guys. Okay, let's do katana case. Let's do serpent, two cases, and maybe we can try with some YouTuber cases. Maybe, I don't know, one-on-one, $27. Okay, let's create this one and let's wait a couple of seconds to see if anybody join us. If nobody join us guys, Keydrop has great options that you can play case battle with bot, which is really cool. You can find a lot of bots that you can play with, so let's see. Okay, let's start this battle with bot Cody. Glow set start, that's nice. 186 only, bro. Battles card. Oh my god. Okay, how much is this AK? 101 battles card. Why battles card, bro? Give me factory new or minimal wear. Player 2M for $15 only. Last one. YouTuber case. Okay, it's win, but is it profit? Yeah, it is. Like $180 profit, which is good. So let's recreate this one for fun and let's call bot Tom this time. Come on, only 4 cases, bro. Pay us something huge, please. Pay us something huge. Okay, $69, 68 AVP, close. I'm in the lead by $1. Let's see. Okay, still in the lead by $1, but bro, we need something huge. Bro, I'm in the lead by $1. Hey, what the fuck is this, bro? Is it same? Oh my god, I won by like 60 cents, bro. But that's not profit. That's not profit. Okay, $195 left on my balance, so I can open some event cases. Maybe this one I can open 2. Yeah, I can open 2. Let's see. 118.23. Let's sell it and let's open 2 more. Okay, that's bad. That's really bad. Okay, 58 left on my balance. Let's open something else. Maybe this case I can open. $22 hyper beast. Okay, I have $773 in my inventory, so it's time for some upgrades, guys. My favorite part on this site. So let's try to upgrade some more expensive skins. Maybe let's do like this. Let's do all of these skins, bro. I'll try to hit 1.5x. Let's try to hit this Karambit autotronic 60%. Wish me luck, guys. Can we hit right side? Bro! Oh my god, that's W, bro. That's fucking profit. That's nice. So I will keep this Karambit. And let's do some more upgrades. Okay, I can do more skins, but maybe I can do contract with these cheap skins. Let's try to hit 2x now. Maybe this Felcher knife, bright water, 44%. I missed this one definitely, but never mind. We're in profit. So let's do one contract. Let's try all of these cheap skins and vouchers. Okay, it's $3.44. Let's see what we get. $5. That's nice. That's nice. Let's do one more contract and we'll try. No, I can't do, bro. I need to choose this one. Okay, $12. Now I'll try to upgrade this Glock reactor. We'll try to hit 10x, guys. Little 10x, 9%. Let's see. Yeah, I missed. $1,044, guys, which is profit on Keydrop. Today I will withdraw this Karambit. I hope you have enjoyed. If you have enjoyed, you can always leave a like. You can subscribe to my YouTube channel. You can follow me on my Twitter Razor affiliate. I'm doing daily giveaways. You can follow me on my Kick Razor affiliate for a daily live stream, summer content, and maybe the most important thing, don't forget to join on Keydrop under my promo code Razor affiliate. So thank you so much for watching, and I will be seeing you in the next video. Bye.